Hi, I'm meteorologist Rich Marriott, and well, things have calmed down a lot from what we saw over the weekend. It was pretty wild out there. Yesterday we saw thunderstorms around Puget Sound, which don't happen that often. We also saw some gusty winds associated with this, and we even had a potential tornado down around the Longview area. The National Weather Service is headed out today to check that out, see if it was a tornado or just a big downburst, microburst that might have caused those winds, but they were measured gusting to 80 to 85 miles per hour, so it was a significant storm. Caused some minor damage down around the Longview area. So it was all in all an exciting day, and it included some snow down to lower elevations in the mountains for the first time this year, getting down to mountain highway levels, so not really down to Snoqualmie or Stevens Passes. They saw a little bit of a dusting around, but nothing that really affected travel. And you can see today that nothing going on now in western Washington, just a few leftover showers over there east of the Cascades this morning starting out, and a beautiful day developing around Puget Sound. Looking out there towards the Olympics across Possession Sound from our Everett Tower cam, see that dusting of snow on the Olympics down to about the 4,000 to 5,000 foot level out there, looking awful lot like winter's coming, and here we're still getting used to it being fall at this point. That's a tough transition. Checking the Columbia Tower cam, looking out towards the Cascades, you can see skies starting to clear out there as well. And it should turn into a really nice autumn day. In fact, the next few days looks like some really nice sunny days headed our way. Nice shot out there towards Mount Rainier, and you can see the camera still bouncing around a little bit. We have had gusty north winds overnight, and we do have those gusty winds kind of continuing, especially in the northern counties. That is going to be over there towards Whatcom, western Whatcom County, the San Juans. We're going to be seeing that wind advisory in place until about 2 o'clock this afternoon, and they could see wind gusts into the 30+ mile per hour range there. So that'll continue to be kind of blustery, and elsewhere we're seeing some gusts, but much less, and that should be pretty much wrapped up as we head towards mid-afternoon. Checking the satellite image, you can see the low that was causing all the exciting weather over the weekend. That's dropping southward as high pressure builds in over us here later today. It's building into the north and east of us. That's what's giving us those gusty north winds. It's also going to give us a lot of sunshine in the next couple of days, which will be nice. But as we head towards probably Thursday, we are going to look for that high to move east of us. We'll start to see a system begin to push in here by later on Thursday, and might start to see things turning wetter as we head into the weekend. One of the biggest forecasts people are interested in isn't even here in the Pacific Northwest, but we're off to game 2 of the ACLS series there in Toronto. And in Toronto tonight, not looking too bad, not too different from Puget Sound for that matter. Clear skies this evening. We have that first pitch at 2:03 Pacific time, 5:03 Eastern time. They're going to be mostly in the mid to upper 50s during that game, so should be in pretty good shape. Pretty comfortable conditions that the Mariners are used to playing in. Checking the highway passes, you can see, well, some fog up there at Snoqualmie Pass, but no restrictions on the roadway at Snoqualmie or at Stevens Pass for that matter. They did have traction tires advised for a while at White Pass, but that's ended. And if you're headed across Blewett Pass today, be sure and check. It has been closed off and on this morning, so it may be closed again. They were reporting some heavy snow at times and possibly some accidents, probably because of that. So check Blewett Pass out before you try and get over it today. And looking at our smoke forecast, not a lot to look at, which is really nice. If we go through the next 24 hours, we haven't seen this in ages. Even on the east side of the Cascades, not seeing much in the way of smoke. And of course, that means we have really good air quality pretty much across the state. Still in the moderate range there in Wenatchee, which is still near those fires, which are still burning, but just not producing as much smoke. And by tomorrow, good air quality across the state. It's been a long time since we've seen that. So our forecast for today, that does call for sunshine. The showers are over with, it looks like now, and temperatures in the mid to upper 50s. Mostly sunny Tuesday and Wednesday. Chilly in the mornings. The overnight lows are going to be down into the 30s to the low 40s. So definitely a jacket as you head out to the bus stop of those 2 days. High temperatures in the upper 50s and low 60s. Maybe not quite as cold Thursday, as we'll see some clouds coming in for partly sunny. Some showers moving in late in the day. Partly sunny with a few showers around Friday, and then it turns wetter over the weekend with increasing rain on Saturday. Showers and sun break Sunday, and highs dropping back to the mid to upper 50s.